everybody? It's Adam with the Back Yard BBQ Boys. You saw that intro right. I had a heart attack. Yes. A heart attack. So today in this episode we are cooking cow heart. It's so good. It's totally misunderstood piece of meat. And if you can get past the whole thing that it's a heart, then you would enjoy it. To me, it's as good as a filet. For other people, they're too squeamish to try it. So it took me probably about 10 years to get the courage up to try it, and I missed out on 10 years of eating some good heart, especially deer heart. A friend Jake of mine, a long time ago up in Maine, Jake Bennett. He's a hunter. He's awesome. He was telling me to eat deer heart, and I was like, no way. No way am I going to eat deer heart. No, it's disgusting, blah, 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 blah. And then one day, my buddy Don shot a deer down here on Long Island, and I'm like, you know what the hell, let's try it. I tried it, and it's like the best thing. And now even, oh, there's my kitty. Now, cow heart, any heart, chicken hearts, cow hearts, turkey hearts, whatever. It is good stuff. So, I recommend you guys just give it a shot. If you prepare it right, do not grill it. Bad to grill, awesome to fry in a cast iron. That's the only way I do it. I tried grilling it a million times. Even if you do it medium rare, it's still gross and tough. But doing it in a cast iron skillet is the way to go. My son loves it. Totally loves it. So let's get to it. I normally don't use gloves, but I don't feel like getting my hands dirty right now. So let's throw on some gloves. This knife was sharp, and that's why I picked it, but it's dull. So oh yeah. Always have a garbage bowl. Always. The best thing. Well, I'm going to go straight to my Danko, because I thought the other knife was going to be sharper. Cut off all this fat. All that fat, cut it right off. It's nasty stuff. Stuff, I said. Yeah, it's hard, super hard fat. And all these strings, get them out. They're not worms. I don't know what they are. Probably blood vessels or something. But I try to get everything I can off, like any silver skin, anything that might be funky. Sometimes, even though it's not super duper sharp, it still works. And it's a little easier to manage than the big ass knife the big knife that I have. Alrighty, we are about to season. And I got my pepper, my salt, my good white powder, and some garlic. I'm gonna throw some of this legal white powder candy on this thing. I don't want to put too much because it's way too much sometimes. Throw some avocado oil on here. Rub that sucker in. Some salt. Only use one hand. I use kosher salt, which everybody else uses too, I believe. Some pepper. This pepper comes out really quick, and I've doused some meat with this by accident. Do a little bit of pepper, and then of course the garlic powder. Oh yeah. All right, let's flip that over. Put that in there. A little olive oil. I mean olive oil. My bad. It is avocado oil, not olive oil. Bring out the beefiness. Salt. Some pepper. Oh, see, just did it. That's going to be a little spicy, I think. All right. Let that sit. Garbage bowl, garbage bowl. Meat juice on the table. I will get my butt handed to me by the missus if I don't clean up. And our dog is super allergic to pretty much the air we breathe, so she can't have anything on the ground or on the floor that she can get her nose into, because she will break out into massive amounts of hives, shaking, and all not good stuff for a dog to be doing. So gotta be very, very mindful of all that good stuff. All right, let that sit. I'm gonna set up the cast iron. All right, turning on my cast iron. I'm gonna heat that sucker up pretty good. Have it on 5.5, 6. Got my butter in my little coffin butter tray I made. Yeah, coffin butter tray. Let this heat up. And one thing I did forget to do though, I forgot to actually cut the meat. So let's go cut that meat. Cool beans. All right. Oh yeah. And the star of the show. Woo-hoo. Definitely getting hot on that. Alright, check this out now. Oh yeah, look at that. It's so good. Mm-hmm. So good. It's not the most tender, but I probably cut it the wrong way, to be honest with you. If I go like that, it peels apart. But heart of any kind, any animal, it is so delicious if it's done right. Not really a grillable meat. Not that I found out anyway, and I've done quite a bit of them. But definitely a flat top or a cast iron skillet where you could use a lot of butter. Because it has like 0 fat. And it is ridiculous. So it's just, I can't even. It's just good. It's just really good. And I need to stop eating it because Aiden will have a cow if I don't. He'll have a cow. He will have a cow if I don't save him some. When you have meat like that, it's hard to save. Oh, it's just so hard. But I'll do it. Some meat juice and butter there. Oh man. Holy smokes. It's like a meat juice gravy. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. That's it. So good. Okay, so yeah, it's freaking delicious. It's so good that I can't stop. It's like eating. It's actually like eating buttered meat, which it is. But it's just the flavor is just so damn good. Alright, I gotta go. Actually, I don't have to go anywhere. I just gotta stop eating it. Thank you for watching, and have an awesome day. 2 more pieces. Thanks again for watching. If you like this type of content, leave us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. I'll be back to make some different meat. Leave in the comments what kind of meat you want me to do next. Typically I only do, well, not only, but I've been only doing steak and chicken. I almost choked, and chicken. But yeah, if I can get myself some game meat, I make a killer venison steak. Killer. Anything venison, I'll kill it. But all right, thanks again, and have a good weekend. Bye now.
Now it's time to try this steak.
Steak?
I meant heart.
Steak?
How is it?
The
Good?
best heart in the world.
Holy, can you do it a little bit more fun?
Best heart in the world!
There you go. No, you didn't cover the camera.
Yeah.